Hi everyone! So today I'm going to demonstrate how to loop a lanyard through a marker so that you may wear it as you are walking around and recording yourself with Swivl. Here we have 3 markers, and the first one is a primary marker. It should remain black and free of stickers. The primary marker also tracks the robot, captures audio, and controls the app and device. We also have 2 secondary markers here, but as you know, you can have up to 5 total markers, including 4 secondary markers and 1 primary marker. Secondary markers are distinguished with different colored stickers. So we like to describe the process of looping the lanyard through the marker as affixing a luggage tag to a piece of luggage. As you'll notice, picking up one of your lanyard strings, at the very end there is a very fine loop, and on the marker itself there's a small area at the bottom where that loop can loop through. So right now I'm demonstrating how you can take that loop, pass it through the marker, and then pull the rest of the marker strand through the loop. Try pinching the loop first so that it's thinner and will loop through the marker more easily. And it's as simple as that. You'll repeat this process for the other secondary markers, which will come with shorter lanyards for wearing around your wrist, like I'll demonstrate. But for general recording, we recommend the neck lanyard, which is longer and more hands-free. Now, let's talk about the appropriate way to wear a neck lanyard with your primary marker attached to it. When you get your lanyard in your box, there's a plastic slider clip that is usually at the bottom, and you'll want to adjust that so it fits the width of your neck. Start off by leaving yourself plenty of room and place the lanyard around your neck. You want the lanyard quite high, so adjust the clip in the back so that it sits squarely and centrally on the chest because the microphone is in the marker. In my case, I'm wearing a jacket with a zipper, so I'll adjust it so that if I start moving around, the audio quality of the marker will not be affected. So if you're also wearing a necklace, ID badge, or anything else that could be considered an obstruction, you'll want to move that out of the way because this really is the perfect location for a marker. And now that you have that marker situated on your chest in the proper location and height, you can move around freely in your room unobstructed and tracking will resume.